In this video, I shall share with you the ultimate secrets that how to grow YouTube video view to success. I shall reveal the genuine method for customizing your video's direct link to ensure it kept on high rank and attracts a massive viewership. By following my instructions, you will learn how to customize your traffic source. It guaranteed that it would not appear external traffic sources. With this strongest technique, your YouTube video will not only climb the ranks, but also go viral. So, without further late, let's dive in and learn the secret of YouTube traffic customization together. Before get started, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it and press bell icon to receive every video's notification first. So let's get started. First of all, I will tell you how to customize video URL or customize video direct link. Go to your YouTube channel. Your page will be looking like. Now click here, it will open looking like that. Now select the YouTube studio and click on it. It will open a new page looking like. Now go to left side and select the content tab, click on it. It is showing your videos looking that. You can see many videos showing here. Now select the video which you are going to customize URL or customize the direct link direct. For example, I select this video to customize URL or customize the direct link, select detail, which is looking very small, click on it. It will open videos detail. Now look here, this is the link of video which is going to customize. Click on copy video link. Look downside. Here it's showing link copied to clipboard. Now open new page. Type youtube.com and click enter. The youtube.com page will open. Now go to search bar and paste the link. Now here is very important work here. Do not skip the video. This part of video link must remove. Okay? Now I removed this part and clicked search. The video is being searched and open on top of this page. This is the activity which is very useful for YouTubers, and mostly creators do not know how to do this. Now click on the main page. Click here and copy it. This is the customized URL or this is the customized video link, which is customized for betterment. Now open new page and paste it. Click go, or hit the enter button from keyboard. This is the link which is now customized. Now you can share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn or WhatsApp. On which anybody will click on this link, the video will open on the top and YouTube Analytics will show your traffic source. It has been appeared by searching on YouTube, mean you will get big advantage and by it the video may goes viral.
Now, let me tell you what are advantages of customization or what are advantages of customizing direct link. So customizing the direct link to your YouTube video can offer several advantages. No one, maintaining YouTube earnings. By customizing the link, you can potentially avoid issues like ad blockers or other plugins that might interfere with ads being displayed on your video. This helps ensure that your YouTube earnings remain stable as viewers access your content directly through the customized link. Number 2, enhanced traffic tracking. When you customize your YouTube video link, you can use tools like Google Analytics to track the traffic sources more effectively. This means you'll have clearer insights into where your viewers are coming from, whether it's through search engines, social media, or other platforms. This information can be invaluable for refining your content strategy and targeting your audience more effectively. Number 3, improved search visibility. Customized links can include keywords or phrases related to your video content, which can help improve its search engine visibility. When users search for relevant terms on platforms like Google or YouTube itself, your video is more likely to appear in the search results, driving organic traffic to your content. Number 4, expanded reach through sharing. Customized links are often shorter and more memorable, making them easier to share across various platforms such as social media, forums, or websites. This can lead to increased exposure and engagement as more people discover and interact with your video content. Overall, customizing your YouTube video link can contribute to better monetization, improved tracking of traffic sources, enhanced search visibility, and expanded reach through easier sharing. Friends, let me know how you like this video by commenting. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe YouTube channel. And press the bell icon and keep mind, I keep making such videos for you. Thanks for watching.